welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Blue Wallet application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store on your device. Now, at the search bar, type in Blue Wallet and click on Search. Scroll down until you find this icon. Click on it and click on Install button. You may need to verify using a Face ID, fingerprint or passcode if it is your first time installing it. Now click on Open to use the application. You can also find your application on the home screen. So that is how you can download or install Blue Wallet application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.